Hi everyone, we have this problem as the problem of the day. Yeah, sorry for the. Yeah, fine. So the problem number is 1871 jump game 2. You are given 0 indexed binary string and 2 integer minimum jump and maximum jump. In the beginning, you are standing at the 0th index, which is equal to 0. You can move from index I to j if the following condition is true, and I plus min is less than j, and yeah, less than j, and minimum of I plus j is less than. Okay, I got it. As of j. Oh, okay. I can move to the left side only if there is a 0. Okay, makes sense. Return true if I can reach the index as length minus 1. Yeah, the last index. Okay, fine. Minimum jump. Okay, there is a range. From this position, I can jump to, since this is the 0th index, so I can jump to from 2 to 3. So it will be 0, 1, 2 to 3. Okay, these two. Okay, wait. These two, and one more condition is that I can only go with the index which has the value 0. Okay, so that has the 0, and then, and yeah. Okay, at every point of time I have two options. uh, no, at every point of time there could be. Okay, for this particular scenario, I have two options, but the number of options is lie will be just max jump minus min jump and some value adjusted. That will be the number of value. No, max jump minus min jump plus 1. Fine. I'm thinking what we can do. uh, at 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 every point I can go to this. Let's see the what is the time complexity we can go up to. S dot length is 10 to the power 5. Okay, no idea is popping up. By the way, I started recording this. Wait, it's been already 5 minutes that I have already started investing time in this problem. So we have only 40 minutes to solve this. since this is a medium question. At any point of time, what I will check, I will try all the possible ways to go, and all the possible ways, obviously it must be zero and must lie within the range. And what I need to return, I just need to return yes, I am able to reach that point. And one more thing, for hmm, yeah, one more thing, I can also save the state of index. Yeah, so basically I will have a dp of I will that will store the solution, whether it is possible to reach the last index from that particular ith index or not. If it is true, then okay. If it is false, then not okay. So how I can proceed? Yeah, so dp of I will be dp of I will be true only if the range I the range any of the range dp of I minus mean jump. No, my bad. The range I plus mean jump to dp of I plus max jump is true. Hmm. I'm able to invest my time and use my brain to solve this problem, but I'm not able to use my same brain to solve another problem that I want to solve it throughout the day. That's what we can call this. This is complete bullshit. Okay. So yeah, if any of the dp of values will return true, then this particular will be true. Hmm. I don't know. I'm not feeling well today, but it's okay. La 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 la. I don't need to be so constrained. I need to enjoy the process. So here we have defined our DP array, okay, and and what we wanna do? Okay, fine. Hmm. Next thing to do is I want to do, okay, helper. My helper function will have the s comma the same mean. Let's change the name, it's so bad name. A, left and right. No, mean and max is better. Mean and max. Hmm. Return. I'm not putting efforts that I must put. Maybe I also need a visited array. Let's think of it. In C++, we had a very nice way to do it, but in Java, I don't know. Like, okay, let's have a visited array. This is crazy. I'm writing code and doing overthinking about the things I should avoid. I don't know where I'm going. Uh, let's think of it. So, what are the thing I need to expect from the helper? I am expecting that for zeroth index, what it should do, it should I go and run from zeroth index plus min to zeroth index plus max, and check for all the scenarios whether it is possible to reach the last element or not. Okay. Yeah. So how it is doing, it is simply going iterating over all the possible index. How, if it is 1, so it is not eligible. But other scenarios are eligible. Okay. So if it is true as well as this is true, then only I am saving dp of I as dp of uh, I think if this is true as well as this is true, then only I'm saving this. So this is saving these values, right? One more thing I need to do is Again, what I am doing, yeah, I am iterating over all the values and storing the values in dp of I, and other values are dp of I. Okay. And if any of those in the particular range, in this range, any of the value has true, then I need to store that in dp of idx as true. And mm, I could have simply write here that return dp of dp of idx is equals to true and return true. I can simply write this way, but it's okay. Let's see the edge cases. So what are the edge cases? That I'm starting from the zero, that's for sure. So it will not go the leftward. Fine. If this is at this point, okay, if idx is equals to at this point, that means yes, you have reached the destination, return true. If if visited of idx is already equals 1, then just return the whatever solution we have previously stored for it. Okay. And if idx is greater than s dot length minus 1, then simply return false. And yeah, that scenario where all the possible, all the within the range, all the roots is not giving me the answer, that will be returning what? False. Yeah, that's good. I can just refactor a bit over here. It's okay. We also have a easy edge case that if n minus 1, okay, wait, s dot, sorry, char, just return false. Yeah, let's see what's the mistake we have done. Okay, it's visited. Okay, fine, I forgot to consider the edge case. Hmm. Let's figure it out. Says false. Fine. Okay, let's start with this position 0, and it's checking out. Okay, 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 0. Fine. For 0, it's s, it's going to this is the 0th index, so it's not returning true. This is not yet visited, and again this is not exceeding the length. Exceeding the length, so So yeah, we will proceed, and so this time what I said we have visited the first value, like first index, and then I started moving to 2 to 3. So it will be 2 at max. I can go to 3. So it will be for 2 and then for 3. Yeah. Yeah, and 3 is less than the size of the entire array, and entire string. And here what's happening is I'm checking out for 2 for the second index. Okay, let's, right, 0 1 2. In the first step, move the 0 index, 0 1 2. It's standing over here, and so it's failing here, right? As of char at I. Okay, what it is, very poor performance by me. I made such kind of mistakes a lot of time. Wait, my bad. That's why we should always write clean code, unlike this one and this one. Okay, if it is not 1, it will consider it. Since it is 1, it will remove it. It will just skip it and go for the next iteration. So if in the next iteration it's 0, it's good. And I, for this scenario, I is at, wait, let me count. Yeah, I is at 0 plus max. What is max? 3. Third index, 0 1 2 3. Okay, so I is what? I is 3. Am I correct? I is 3. 0 1 2 3. Yeah, I is 3, and here I'm going to again this. Okay, wait. Again, I'm going to this, call this function again. Here I has the value 3 and all other things. Is 3 is less than, is equals to s dot length minus 1? No, then ignore it. Is it already being visited? No, ignore it. Is it is it exceeding the size of the length? No, ignore it. So mark this as a visited. Okay, so I'm marking visited of 3 as 1. Okay, now what I'm doing, so it will be 3 plus min, so 5. Where it is, 3 plus 1 5, from 5 to 6. Okay, that's what it is. So from 5 to 6, so it was 3 4 5, 5 to 6. I have to go to 5 to 6, and the total length of the array is 0 1 2 3 4 5. It should be 5. Okay, since I started counting with the 0. Yeah, so it will this condition will be triggered. Yeah, so for the for the fifth index, it will be go into this and check whether, yeah bro, check, it will check whether it is at the last index. So this time it will return true. It will return true. It will also return, wait, if it is, if it is, what it says, that if it is 1, then good. No, if it is 1, then do not consider it as uh, green signal. Make it simple, bro. Fine. If it is 0, then only I can move forward. it will return true. So true, true, dp of I, which in this case this particular value I is true. Mark this possible as true. Then dp of idx, what was the dp of idx? Okay, so dp of idx was dp of 3. dp of 3 is true and returning the value as true. So I'm returning the value as dp of 5 as true. And another thing is, after proceeding, since for the dp of 3 it's true, one of the case is true, then it will again return the dp of 3 as true. And we call the dp of 3, like we are closing the stack, unfolding the stack. So dp of 1, for dp of 0, one of the scenario, no, for this dp of 0, what it is doing, for dp of 0, it is marking it as true again and just returning it. Honestly, I'm not able to figure it out why it is giving me false. Okay, it's important message. I cannot ignore it. Hmm. Honestly, I'm not sure why it is not working. For 2 and for 3, it got invoked. But after 3, why it is not being invoked? This is very bad. For 3, it's already visited. For 3, oh, after 3, for 2, hmm, दो के लिए चला, तीन के लिए चला, रुको अभी इसको दिमाग लगाना होगा। दो के लिए चला, तीन के लिए चला, बट आगे पाँच के लिए नहीं चला। व्हाट इज़ दिस केस? ओके, पाँच के लिए चलेगा क्यों? पाँच के लिए तो ट्रू मार देगा, आगे चल गया। राइट, फाइव के लिए ट्रू कर दिया, तो मैं तो फॉर फाइव इट्स ट्रू। तीन पे चलिए। Okay, we have already exceeded the time limit, but I don't want to take help. It's very bad. दो के लिए चला, तीन के लिए चला, वो वहाँ से रिटर्न कर दिया ट्रू। अभी नेक्स्ट, अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है सीन, इसको उसमें डाल के देखते हैं। Why is it like this? मुझे लगता है ये मैं गलती लिखा हूँ क्या? इस ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू करेक्ट है तो ये 13 वाला एफ ब्लॉक का कोई मेक सेंस भी नहीं करता है ऑनेस्टली मेरे को तो। अभी नहीं था, उसमें जाने का बात भी नहीं है एक्चुअली। वो बहुत बात की सिनेरियो में आएगा, बड़ा सिनेरियो में। बात यह है कि ये फॉल्स रिटर्न कर दे रहा है। कहाँ मिस्टेक हो रहा है समझ नहीं आ रहा है भाई, पकड़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ। इस ब्लॉक में घुस नहीं रहा है, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट इशू। इस ब्लॉक में क्यों नहीं घुस रहा है? मैं भी सही कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा बात नहीं है। पीछे से भी जा सकते हैं। स्लाइडिंग विंडो जैसा कुछ चल रहा है। नो सबमिशंस। आंसर देखने से पहले थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन इतना हार्ड नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं होता यार, यही दिक्कत है। जंप गेम इज़ सच अ बैड काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम। इफ़ यू यूज़ डीपी और ग्रीडी दे विल बिकम हार्डर and harder to solve. If you use DFS, you will find that you can use the same method to solve all of them brainlessly. People are getting TLE, and I'm not even able to pass this given sample test case. DP plus sliding window. If he is moving from leftward, I will go and sleep. It's very bad. I'm not happy with my performance today. I should have done solve this problem without taking help. Okay, see, dp of 0 is true, and reachable is 0. What the is reachable? Okay, I'm iterating from I to n. Why I to I from y1 to n for all the index. Okay, let it go. I minus min jump is greater than this, and dp of I minus 1 plus reachable plus reachable minus remove the window index, leaving the window. This is completely have a nice day, please go. I actually got the thing. I was thinking about the same thing, but from the backward. But I don't want to solve using this way. Naruto beats everything. What is it? Whoa, what kind of software is this? What? Pattern, signal, technique, jump range, sliding window, reachability chain, dynamic tracking, avoid repetitive scan prefix style accumulation, binary binary string path, greedy or DP. Let's see how it works. I need the code. Okay, there is no code that is being ignored over here. Fine. Same reachable, not reachable solution. I'm not liking this actually.
So hello and good morning to everyone. So today's lead code question is 1871, that is jump game part 7. So basically in this question we are given a binary string as index I, right? 1 minus I, the old index, that is I minus max jump minus 1 is minus
Fine,
2,
I don't
and
want to
that is
watch the
invalid.
tutorial. Actually, why I'm not clearing it? Okay, let's read the code. So, what is the idea behind this? Is he has a reachable counter and iterating from 1 to n, considering first one as true. So it is reachable or not, that particular range is reachable or not. If I is greater than min of jump, greater than equal to min of jump plus and dp of I minus jump, dp of I minus jump is true, then reachable plus plus, else do not do anything. Another case is min. Reachable is denoting the number of reachable is denoting the number of true within the range from uh, idx plus min to idx plus max, considering the base condition. Let's read out what is in the solution where it is. Maintain a moving window of valid previous positions. Bro, I don't like Python coders. For no, see it in action. How to see it in action? Oh, this is something new. I know code curse, whatever. I want dynamic programming solution, bro. Wait. Okay, let's read the BFS solution. It's also a nice thing to read. See, approach. Declare a global variable implement a queue, front back as an index. Okay, what's happening is, Okay, let's read the code that will help me to understand. I have a global queue and simply doing front and back at the queue. What I'm doing, back plus plus. What is back plus plus? Where is back? Where is back? Okay, here I have explained it. Far front is less than back. Far is equals to max of far plus this. I got a simple brainless solution. I didn't like the previous one, honestly. What is this? Okay, I thought, no, I will not take this problem this way. What kind of hook is this, bro? I'm not getting it actually. इस what is sweep line approach? ये क्या होता है यार? Sweep line approach. Every time they write things like this, and yeah, this is what I was looking for. Exactly. Wait, अभी इसको पढ़ते हैं अच्छा से. Again, this is reach and not reach. What is binary index? Okay, but I wanted to have the solution. I will take help from AI. Wait, I will use Claude. Let's see how much Claude can work. I will not give up so easily today. Claude is opening. Why it's taking so much time? I'm typing the problem. Okay, what happened? How to copy it entirely? Let's see how much lead code, okay, a Claude can do. Looking at your code, I can spot a bug. The issue is in your for loop condition. The bug this checks if the entire window end within the bound, but it should only cap I at this when this. So the fix is this. I should be math dot minimum of this. Okay. Okay. Let's not to take the entire help from the Claude. So what Claude is suggesting is that my this condition is not correct, and Claude is suggesting this to do. Simply copy this and paste this in this manner. This changes Claude. This is the changes Claude is expecting us to do. Such a noob thing I am doing. Okay, it got submitted. Let's remove the unnecessary stuff. Why I was not able to think of it. Let's try to submit it. Will it get the TLE? Hmm. That's fine. That's fine. We got the TLE. It's not the bad thing to do. Okay, we got the TLE in this each case. Hmm. Okay, fine. I'm looking at the Claude response. He just fixed the thing. He just made the changes whatever we did right now, and everything is as it is. Quick mental trace after fix this. One more suitable issue to be aware after finding one valid path is possible true. You can keep looping. You keep looping the caller helper for other indices. There is fine for correctness. Yeah, Claude is suggesting to return true over here only. No need to check for the all the scenario like this way. Yeah, take this test case. Okay. Claude is suggesting to do this. Let's see if it is giving the test. Okay, it gave me the. Hmm. Something is smelling. Still, it's so big. Okay. Oh, okay. It's so huge. Where is the values for? Hmm. This test case is quite huge. 1 and 4 9 9 9 9 9. Okay. Let me ask the same thing. I am getting TLE in bigger test case. Let's see what the recursive memoization approach has a core performance problem. Even with a memoization, you are doing big of n cross this minus this work, but sliding window prefix some trick can bring it to big of n. Okay, that's what it will bring, the same reachable not reachable thing to me. Fine. Optimal solution bfs slash tp plus this. uh, why it really happens for this, the entire window is, yeah, I got it. I got it. So how it is fixing it? I have i have Wait a second. Let's study more. I have, okay. Wait. Prefix of I. Prefix of I have an array, this and DP array. Prefix I is equal to number of reachable zeros position in 0 to I. Okay. Add dp j minus min j into window. It just entered range. अगर j min jump से बड़ा है और dp ऑफ ये क्या है, dp ऑफ ये dp ऑफ दिस विल बी, अगर ट्रू होगा तब, सिंस ये तो dp ऑफ j तो 1 है, 1 माइनस मिन जंप तो 2 हम रखे थे, सो 1 माइनस for j valid source are j minus this. एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट के लिए वैलिड सोर्स पीछे में क्या है कि ये रेंज है, इतने सारे पॉइंट्स है, हमको इतने सारे पॉइंट्स है, हमको ढूंढा जा सकता है. उल्टा केस है, एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट में इतना सारा रेंज है जो उसको काउंट, प्रीफिक्स इज इक्वल्स टू काउंट ऑफ डीपी ऑफ आई ट्रू इनसाइड, डीपी ऑफ आई इज इक्वल्स टू ट्रू इनसाइड द करेंट विंडो. विजुअल विंडो क्या हो गया, -2 से 2, 2 और 3 है इनवैलिड. ओके हटाओ, विंडो हो गया ये. Still, it's very difficult to come up with this solution. It's not that easy to come up with such kind of answer, honestly. So yeah, as everyone DP suggesting the same solution to me. Yeah, but I'm not satisfied with the solution. I'm still not able to figure it out properly. It's okay. That's all for the day. We have taken a lot of time. It's around 120. 1 hour and 21 minutes. So it's okay. Very bad, Ankit. Very bad.